Hello and welcome back to Remove Before Launch, and I'm back in the 135. Yep, I haven't sold it yet, don't ask. Just haven't really brought myself to doing it. But it's got to go. But before it goes, I thought what a great opportunity to pitch this against the Civic Type R. It's going to be interesting because obviously you've got pretty similar stats, but obviously this is 3 litre twin turbo, Civic's 2 litre turbo, but they're both pumping out over 300 brake, very similar torque levels. But obviously this is old tech. This is well over 10 years old now, the car. The Civic's just come up to 3 years old. And the Civic, it's a strong engine. It does feel very strong. However, it does have a bit of lag. This engine, the great thing about it is always like ready to go from about 1800 revs. But it does tend to run out of steam by about 5,500, whereas the Civic will pull all the way through to the red line. So I just wanted to give it a quick run and see how they pitch up against each other.
Fight!
40 in third. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that
quick.
Yeah, that was quick. Well, that was that was interesting. Yeah, that Civic's quick, but to be fair, this wasn't bad. This was not a bad effort. Now, but yeah, the Civic definitely had the speed it pulled away at there. That was quite interesting. Definitely put like a good car length or more on quite quickly. Yeah, we're going to try that again. We'll try another run in a sec. Okay guys, we're going to try again. 40 in fourth this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, see? Picking up a bit quicker. Pick it up. Damn it! Well, interesting. So, this definitely picks up a little bit quicker, a fraction quicker, and then that was it. Blimey, I thought this was a quick car. It is a quick car. That's not fair. This is a quick car in its own right, but yeah, the Civic. Bear in mind, guys, these are both stock, completely stock cars, and obviously this has got a lot more miles on the clock. But even so, the difference there, once that got going, a little bit of lag, gone. Right, we're in fourth gear, we're in 50, and we're just going to see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, a little bit again, a little bit of lag from the Civic, but no. BMW definitely picks up quicker. It's going to, I suppose, it's inevitable. It's twin turbo, 6-cylinder, 2 small turbos, so they kick in a little bit less lag. But yeah, the Civic every time just doesn't seem to matter what you're in. And as I said earlier, the Civic's in sport mode. It's not even in full-blown track mode yet. So yeah, interesting. Right, 40 miles an hour in third, people.
Yeah, okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Is it? Interesting, as always. There you have it. Tried in third, tried in fourth. Can't keep up. I'd love to run it, properly run it out, but I still think, and on a track where you've just got no limits at all, but I still think you're just going to get creamed by the Civic. I don't even think this is, it's strong, but I don't see it beating the Civic in any way, shape or form. Certainly not going to beat it on the brakes front or anything like that, and maybe off the line this could actually give it a good run because you've got rear-wheel drive. It doesn't tend to scrabble as much, does get a good launch this car, but in these conditions. We're not going to be able to test it on public road, obviously, for obvious reasons. But even then, I think once the Civic got going, just be no chance. So there you go, guys. Clear winner. BMW got its arse handed to it, basically. I suppose it was to be expected. The Civic does have some pretty good stats, but then I was thinking, you know, very similar power outputs, torque, etc., etc. Maybe there'd be a bit more of a competition there, but no, it was pretty conclusive. You know, the Civic is just that much quicker, which is great in one respect because I own the Civic, so brilliant. And then it's a little bit sad because I love the BMW, so you know, it is what it is. It's just shows how potent the Civic is, how impressive it is. But you know, shouldn't discount the 135, the age it is, everything else. So yeah, bit of fun. Quite enjoyed that. Would love to get it on drag strip somewhere. So if anyone knows one where I could find a private airfield or something and do some filming and testing and yeah, versus tests, that would be superb. So please leave a comment below if we can. In the UK, that is. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Please give us a like and subscribe. Catch you soon.